With just a little bit of work, some simple tools, we're gonna convert this cart and we're gonna make it look brand new. So here's the old dash up against the new dash, and you can clearly see the difference. They're both made out of plastic. This one has a much bigger center console with 4 drink cup holders. So I'll put the ignition here. I'll probably put the lights right up here. It's a small hole, go right next to that. For the 12-volt system, which is also a USB plug that went right here, I'll probably just put it right down here, maybe centered across here or something. And you do have to have your wires long enough, because these were up close, and then these are going to come clear across that opening and mount up out here. And then this glove box on the right is a little smaller on the new one because of the drink cup holders and stuff than what I used to have, but that's fine. All right, this is just a little bit tricky. You just got to think it through, but when you put the new dash on, you want to slide your blinker mechanism through first, and then that way you can slide it on there, and when you put the wheel back on, the steering wheel, your wires will all be inside this hole and everything will work out. Right, I got all the holes in the plastic pre-drilled. I used 1/8 of an inch, and then I'll use a smaller bit to come back and drill the initial hole in the aluminum. And that worked out pretty good. And I added a small washer behind each one just to give it a little more surface area so it doesn't pull through that plastic. But I think the plastic on this dash from Friday Parts is a little bit thicker than the previous one that I took off. And it feels pretty darn solid in there. So that part went nice. Both glove boxes work just fine. Now we'll get things put back together. So I'll put my ignition back in here, my light switch up here in the new holes I drilled. And I already have my USB 12-volt display plug in there. I just need to connect the wires. And you just do it from back behind through the drink cup holder access areas. And then we'll put the drink cup holders back in, 2 small ones and 2 larger ones, and they did come with the kit. And here's the finished product, and this is our new look. So you can definitely improve the looks of your golf cart, even if it's an old one that's beat up by the sun like this one is, and make it look brand new again. And then I'm sure it'll go faster with the carbon fiber look. Everybody knows that's faster than the wood grain anyway. FridayParts, fix it once, fix it right.